This was a day last year.
It's the day usually starts at 6. This day we had 3 tables, so we had back-to-back tables.